Hello, tutor, classmate, pre-intermediate English, conditional exercise. What if? What if you study English hard? What will you do? I will improve my learning. I will have a better job. I will be very successful. If you only had 44 hours to live, what will you do? I will look for my parents and my children. I will spend all the money I have. I will sing in a public song. What if I fail my English test? If I had studied more, I will have a high note. I will not have loved the exam. If I don't know the meaning of a word in English, what can I do? I can share the dictionary. I can ask my teacher. I can investigate in a book. If you could be an animal, what animal will you be? I will be a beautiful kitty. I will be a little bear that flies through the clouds. I will be a wolf that travels the Red Sea. What if you had studied that career? Which other word you have studied and with? I would have studied psychology because I am interested in working and talking with the people. What if it rains tomorrow? What will you wear? I will wear some rain boots, put on a coat, and use an umbrella. What happens if your smartphone falls into toilet? Oh my god! I will sit down to cry. I will put in a cup with rice that monster come out. I will take you the technical service. If you could be invisible for a day, what will you do and why? I would like to go to a clothing store and try on a lot of clothes because I love clothes, hands, walls. I can't time them to mouse my house. It will be great. What if baby cries in its if they are sick, if they are angry, if you miss your mom, if they fall off the bed? It rained really hard yesterday, and you call now what you planned to do. If it had not rained, what would you have done? I would have made markets. I would have washed the dirty clothes. I would have gone jogging. What if you eat lots of fast food? What will happen? I will get fat. I will be without clothes. I will have to do a lot of exercise to lose weight. Bye bye.